Are you looking for a plumber in Cardiff? The Cardiff Plumbers are a reliable company. We specialize in bathrooms and kitchens, while also dealing with emergency plumbing, heating and water systems, which include boilers and drainage systems. We deal with residential and commercial properties. We offer free quotes on services including bathroom installations, kitchen fitting and pipe work, tiling, boiler and heating installations. Our emergency plumbers are always on call. Call us today for all your Cardiff plumbing needs.